Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to walk you through a super easy way to play games directly on Telegram. Yes, you heard that right, you won't need to download any extra apps or set up complicated accounts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find, launch, and play fun mini-games right inside Telegram itself. Whether you're new to Telegram or just curious about its gaming features, I've got your back, let's dive straight into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is open up your Telegram app. At the very top, you'll see that search bar. This is your gateway to all kinds of bots, communities, and importantly for today, games. Make sure you're signed in and ready because we'll be using that search functionality to find something exciting. Now in that search bar, type in either the name of a specific game bot if you've heard of one before, maybe something like Gammy Bot, or you can use more general keywords like mini games or game bot. Telegram is packed with community-made bots dedicated just to games, so there's a world of choices. Think about it like browsing through the shelves at a game store, except much faster. You just have to know what genre or vibe you're looking for. As the search results pop up, you'll see a list of bots and chats that match your terms. Here's a tip, game bots usually have a playful icon, maybe a little joystick or a cartoon mascot, and they'll have bot at the end of their username like @Gammy. Click on one that catches your eye. Don't worry if you're not sure which one to pick. You can try out different bots until you find a game that looks fun to you. It's just like browsing through game demos just a click away. Once you've tapped on a bot or a mini-game, you'll see the chat window open. If this is your first time interacting with the bot, you'll need to give it a little nudge to start up. Look for the Start button at the bottom of the chat and hit it. This is basically like pressing play on a console. You're letting the bot know you're ready to play. The bot will usually send you a greeting message or a menu of available games. Don't be thrown off by any automated messages. That's normal. Some bots let you play solo, while others give you options to challenge friends or compete on leaderboards. Choose the game you want by following the buttons or typing a command if the bot asks you to. If it feels a bit confusing at first, just take a breath and read through the instructions. Most game bots are really user-friendly and they'll guide you step by step. With the game launched, you're all set to play. Whether it's a quick trivia quiz, a puzzle, or a reaction-based game, you'll be playing directly inside the Telegram chat window. It's kind of amazing, you don't need anything else on your phone or computer. Just follow the prompts, click or tap as needed, and immerse yourself. If you get stuck or a game doesn't load, remember you can always back up and try a different bot. And that's it really. Playing games on Telegram couldn't be simpler, and it's a great way to pass a few minutes, challenge your friends, or discover new mini-games you might never have found elsewhere. If you found this tutorial helpful or discovered a cool game bot through Telegram, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below with any questions, or share your favorite Telegram game. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.